Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Austin, local and long distance movers near me. At least 50 miles must separate a long distance relocation. This form of transfer entails the inconvenience of transporting your possessions over a great distance. You'd be better off executing it yourself if you had well maintained vehicles and experienced drivers. However, as time has proven, you cannot. You need help. 3 Movers is unmatched in the long distance moving industry. As a result, you can always rely on us to provide the smoothest long distance transportation possible. Due to the abundance of experience our skilled movers have gathered over the years, the job appears to be effortless. Additionally, they are also familiar with the most secure and shortest interstate routes, which expedite the moving process. Our transportation services adhere to industry standards. Additionally, we service our trucks on a regular basis to keep them in good working order. If an accident occurs, we ensure that you have adequate insurance to cover the costs of any damage or loss. However, we make every effort to avoid causing harm. When you relocate within a 50-mile radius of your current location, we refer to your move as a local relocation. As a reputable moving business, we strive to provide affordable local relocation services for Austin locals. As a result, our hourly charge is between $30 and $40 an hour. We also offer the most affordable rates and the most efficient moving services in Austin. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Austin moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.